Gracias.
E flat major.
To do the.
I forgot to do that.
Okay. Also, are you a waiter?
I have a tendency of going like this at the beginning.
Oh, okay.
So
I see. I see. All right. Good to know. Okay. Why don't you just go ahead and do the first part first?
Yeah. Okay.
The not written part that you might want to write to remind yourself to do it. And this is why we're doing it. Nope, do that beat again. Sans head. Better. You should do that beat again without a pretty picture over here, because you're like drawing something. I don't know what it is. Was that beat 4?
Yeah.
Come in for beat 3.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, moving on.
Work on that.
You just watch the video and you'll be delighted to see how you progress immediately, but there's still some work that needs to be done. You need to do that one again. The first measure should be in a 3 pattern, not a backwards one. And then your releases prep was almost a Cicera.
Take a second and relax and kind of shake everything out. And I want you to, this time as you're conducting, kind of in the back of your mind, think about how your arm and your wrist feel, because I have a feeling there's somewhere along this chain of command something is not feeling natural. It's just an impression I get. Like there is tension somewhere, and I have a very strong hunch as to where it is, but I don't know if you're aware of it, so just think about it. Go.
Do the first measure and a half again.
Put the baton down for a second. Now, put your hand up in a ready position. Okay, that is not, now, well, conduct a pattern. I want you to look, when you watch the tape, look at your ready position, how your hand is positioned, and then look at it when you start conducting, because you're like in a really uncomfortable way. And it's making the baton look straight ahead, at least from where I'm positioned, which is kind of off to the side a little bit. But I'm just getting this feeling that you're contorting your wrist out to the side, and there is no way that this can be comfortable, in my opinion, unless your body is built differently. Conduct for a second. It's particularly when you go out to beat 3, and maybe that's a comfortable motion for you, but it's, I don't know, I would, yeah.
Something I just noticed, when you didn't have your baton, you used a lot more wrist to hit your ictus or icti, and then as soon as you picked up the baton, you started doing it with your finger, and your wrist just kind of stayed still the whole time.
Okay.
Just watch, and I mean, you can come to your own conclusions about it, but I would just look and see, and then just experiment in the mirror and decide what you like best. But it looks like you are carrying tension, and maybe you don't feel that way, but from my perspective, it looks not organic. Like it looks like something is weird is happening. So, okay.
You have to do that again because you do not have the correct number of counts in the first measure.
Okay.
Cameron. Good. You were giving it only 3. All right, number 2.
Start from measure 2.
Calm down. I can see your brain twisted in knots. Pretend it's a fermata. Just pretend that is a beat 1 fermata, and then you have 3 and 4. Try it. Got yourself out of the woods, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so now just make sure that that's a releases prep fermata and you're fine.